Hello everyone, this is Tejashwini. Okay, first of all, let me introduce what the concept is. Let me ask you a question. Do you hear any crickling sounds in your kitchen, especially during nights? Yeah, I am talking about the cockroach. I think you all don't want any introduction regarding cockroaches. Why? Because nowadays they are becoming one of our family member. Did I say correct? Of course, yes. I think there is no house without cockroach. Apart from jokes, let me get into the concept. Coming to the morphology of cockroach, the common species of cockroach are the Periplaneta americana. Kingdom, phylum, class. I think you have read about kingdom, phylum, class in the diversity in living organisms itself. Kingdom, Animalia, phylum, Arthropoda, class, Insecta. Morphology, 34 to 53 millimeter long. Body is segmented. Means body shows metamerism. Body again divided into three parts: head, thorax, and abdomen. Entire body is covered by chitinous exoskeleton. Each segment has a hardened plates called sclerites. Again, sclerites are divided into tergites, sternites. Tergites are the structures which covers the body of the cockroach dorsally. Sternites are the structure which cover the body of the cockroach ventrally. These structures are joined by articular membrane. Head. Head is a fusion of six segments, which is a triangular, flexible due to neck. A pair of compound eyes and a pair of antenna from sockets are seen, and these are structures are known as a sensory receptors, which are responsible for sensory sense organ as a function of sense organs. Then coming to the mouth parts, which are the biting and chewing type. Labrum, which is nothing but the upper lip. Labium, which is nothing but the lower lip. A pair of mandibles and a pair of maxilla are seen. Hypothorax, which is nothing but a tongue-like structure, which is helpful for the mastication of the food. Then coming to the thorax. Thorax is divided into prothorax, mesothorax, and metathorax. Each thoracic segment bears a walking legs, a pair of walking legs. Then coming to the mesothorax, which are nothing but the four wings, which are called as tegmina. Opaque, leathery, covers hind wings, which are called as a non-flying wings. Means they are not involved in the flying. Then coming to the metathorax, which is nothing but the hind wings. Transparent, membranous are used in the flight. Means these are the flying structures. Means which are helpful for the flying. Okay, now see the image. You will understand what is meant by head, tegmina or hind wing, metathorax. Okay, the main question arises here is how to differentiate male and the female cockroach. Here you have to remember one thing, that annals tells the structure which present only in males. They are not present in the female. Okay, let's start with anatomy of cockroach. Digestive system. Here body cavity was divided into foregut, midgut and hindgut. Foregut is covered by the cuticle. Hindgut was divided into ileum, colon and rectum. Mouth, pharynx, esophagus, crop, gizzard. This is the sequence you have to remember. Crop, stores food. Gizzard, grinds food. Between foregut and midgut, there is a presence of hepatic CK in 6 to 8 in number. Release gastric juice. Between midgut and hindgut, there is a presence of Malpighian tubule 100 to 150, removing excretory product from hemolymph. Okay, then coming to the circulatory system of cockroach. Here, open type of circulatory system will be seen in the cockroach. Open space, which is nothing but the hemocoela. Organs get bathed in the hemolymph, which contains plasma and hemocytes. Heart is present in the mid-dorsal line of the thorax and abdomen. Blood enters heart through ostia and pumped anteriorly to sinuses again. Okay, respiratory system. Network of trachea means here tracheal respiration is the only respiration seen in this cockroach. 10 pairs of spiracles guarded by the sphincters. Tracheal tubes gives rise to tracheoles, carry O2 from the air to all parts through diffusion. Excretion. As we already studied, Malpighian tubules are the only structures which is helpful for the excretion purpose. Here they are lined by glandular and ciliated cells. Nitrogenous waste in cockroach is uric acid. Hence they are called as uricotelic organisms. Fat body, nephrocytes, uricose glands are the additional excretory structures present in the cockroach. Nervous system. Ventral nervous system will be seen in the cockroach. Means ganglia are arranged ventrally. 3 ganglia will be seen in the thorax, 6 in the abdomen region. The head region contains supraesophageal ganglion, supplies nerves to the antenna and the compound eyes. You have to remember the names. Sense organs: eyes, antenna, maxillary bulbs, labial bulbs, and anal cerci. Each eye has 2000 ommatidia structures. Cockroach eye has mosaic vision, more sensitivity, and less resolution. Just go through the images, you will see how the ommatidia looks like. Coming to the last, reproductive system. Cockroaches are dioecious, means sexes are separate. Male reproductive system consists a pair of testes in fourth to sixth segments. Testis opens into vas deferens, into seminal vesicles, to ejaculatory duct and male gonophora. In sixth and seventh, mushroom-shaped gland, which is nothing but the accessory reproductive gland, is seen. External genitalia contains gonopophysis and phallomere. Sperms are stored in seminal vesicles glued together as a spermatophore. Especially anal styles are seen in the male reproductive system. Anal styles are not reproductive structures, but they are essential to differentiate between male and female cockroaches. Female reproductive system. Two large ovaries arranged laterally in 2 to 6th segments. Ovaries opens into oviduct, oviduct opens into genital chamber. Spermatheca and collateral glands also opens into genital chamber. Each ovary contains 8 ovules. After fertilization, fertilized eggs are encased in the capsules called oetica. They are the dark red blackish brown structures, dropped and glued to the suitable surfaces by the female body. An average female cockroach produces 9 to 10 oetica. Each oetica contains 14 to 16 eggs. Development of Periplaneta americana is parametabolous, means development through nymphal stage. Nymph grows 13 times to reach adult form. Next to last nymphal stage have wing pads, but only adult cockroaches have wings. I think I have completed each and every topic. Thank you.